Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sylvester Ezanaka, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a cookbook title that makes $800 monthly on Amazon KDP. Alright, so in my previous video which I did, I shared a title with us that makes $400 monthly on Amazon KDP. If you have not seen that video, then you need to check it out right now. Okay, so today's video you are going to be blown away. I'm sure this title is not what you are used to. You have not probably heard of it before. All right, so if you're interested and you want to know more about this cookbook title, then make sure you stay to the end of this video. All right, I'm going to click on keyword search. So I'm going to paste in that title right now. Again, I'm going to click on go get them rocket. All right, so I'm searching with books. I have a comprehensive video on how to use Publisher Rocket on my channel, so make sure you check it out immediately. So let us see the results of this title on Amazon KDP. Alright, so as you can see, it makes over $800 monthly on Amazon KDP. What is here is 847, and as you can see, the competition is very low. The number of competitors are just 139. That's how amazing this cookbook title is. So if you are watching me right now, let us go into the amazonmarketplace.com. About 200 results, that's 244 results on the amazon.com marketplace, which is good. It's less than 500. All right, and it is making $800 monthly on Amazon KDP. If I were you, I will not waste any time. I will start working on this title right away. So if you check down, you are going to see the books are books that were just published even this year and are already making sales. You can see this one, Metabolic Confusion Diet Cookbook for Endomorph Women. All right, it was published in May 2024. If you scroll down, you are going to see another one published in July, though it's sponsored, but it's making a lot of sales. All right, you can see the BSR just 300,000. Okay, just slightly above 300,000. You can see this one BSR 28,000. So this is a title you need to hop on immediately and start working on. I have a video also on my channel that talks about how to get started writing cookbooks using ChatGPT. So if you're watching me and you're a beginner, you don't know how to write cookbooks, maybe it's not your field, all right, just go ahead and watch this video you're going to be seeing on my screen right now. It's going to help you get started with writing cookbooks on Amazon KDP. All right, so let's check other marketplaces with this title and then see if the profitability is also high and if this book exists in those marketplaces. So the first marketplace we're going to check is the German marketplace. All right, so you have to translate the title and then you have to search it out. I'll be doing a separate video on how to do niche research on other marketplaces on Amazon. So if you're interested in that video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video. All right, so when I typed out this title in the German marketplace, it's showing me that it has just 36 results. So let me see if there are books like this on the German marketplace. All right, so you'll see here that there's a book that was published in March 2024, all right, in the German marketplace, and then it has the same title as our book that we're working on. All right, so let's scroll down. So just that one book. Okay, let's check the Spanish marketplace and see. So there are no results. Nobody's publishing books here using this title. That doesn't mean you can't publish it on this Spanish marketplace. You can publish it in Spanish marketplace and expect to have sales, because you are the only one having that book there. So imagine the amount of money you're going to make. All right, then we are coming to the Italian marketplace. All right, seeing there is no book like that in the Italian marketplace, that doesn't mean you can't put your book there. Okay, if you put your book there, you might just be surprised that a lot of people are looking for your book in this marketplace, and your book might just be the gold mine. This can be the title that will change your Amazon KDP earning story. So if you are watching me right now, make sure you get started on this title immediately. Do not waste any time. I don't know if you found value from this video. All right, if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. All right, my goal is to help my viewers earn as much as possible on Amazon KDP. All right, I want to see you earning a lot, maximizing your earnings on Amazon KDP. So make sure you follow me. All right, like the video, share it so your friends can also benefit from this cookbook title also. All right, so see you in my next video.